Okay, here's some of the things you're going to need to know for the first few questions in this quizzes. You're going to need to know that 5 to the 0 always equals 1. As a matter of fact, anything that's raised to the 0 power is always going to be the answer 1. So including 0 to the 25 to the 0 power is 1. 1,327. You haven't got it yet? Of course you do. Number 1. Yes. Okay, we get the idea, right? All right. I don't know why that is. Actually, I do know why, but I can't remember. We don't have time to go into it right now. Just for the moment, just know it for now. We could figure out the why a little bit later at this point. 3 to the 1. That means you put the 3, okay, so the 3 is the base, the 1 is the exponent. It tells you how many times you're going to pick up the base and put it down. You're going to pick up the base and put it down 1 time. So it's just 3. 3 to the 1 is just 3. 3 to the 2. Now you're going to pick up the base and put it down 2 times. 1, 2. 1, 2. It's not 3 times 2, it's 3 times 3. That is called expanded form. If you see another form, well, 3 times 3 is 9, there's another valid answer. Incidentally, if you do something with exponents like x squared, that's also x times x, which is also 2x. There's 2 x's there. Nope, I lied. That's only if it's x plus x. Just kidding. See, I was just checking. I knew it all along. I was just checking to see if you were paying attention. All right, so that's it for that one. All right, so anyway, back to this one. Here we go. 3 is the base. How many times are we going to pick it up and put it down here? We're going to pick it up and put it down 3 copies of it. 3 copies of that base. 2, 3, and multiply. Which of course can also be 3 times 3 is 9. And then this is 9. 9. If this whole thing is 9, then 9 times this 3 is 27. Another way to write it. Another way. Another one. Another one. You're also going to need to know order of operations for these first few questions. We already did the exponents. The first thing to do is anything in the parentheses. There aren't any parentheses. Check that off our list. Next thing to do is, please excuse my Jerry Sally, PEMDAS is exponents. There is an exponent here. 10 to the squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. See, 100. I still want to rewrite. A lot of rewriting that we're doing in this lesson. So we got to have paper, have the paper ready. Next, any more exponents? Nope, cross that off. What about multiplication, division? In that order, yes, there is a multiplication right here. So we're going to multiply these two numbers together and drop it down here. 6 times 7 is 36, 37, 38, 39, 44, and 42. Rewrite everything else so you don't get lost in the sauce. I'm telling you, watch out. Now, this is add, right? So now, any more multiplying, dividing? No. The only thing left is add and subtract. We're just going to add from left to right. So in this case, it's because the commutative property go either way, but 142 plus 8 is 150 is the answer. All right, your turn.